Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. In today's lesson, we will learn subject EVS, topic my school. Let's see, this is the picture of one school where you all are doing studies. Now come on, repeat with me the spelling of school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Come on. See, this is the picture of a teacher. Who teaches you in school? Yes, your teacher teaches you in your school. Come on, repeat with me the spelling of teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Let's see this picture. Where do you sit and study? Yes, in your classroom. This is the picture of classroom. Let's repeat with me the spelling of classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. Places in my school. Let's see. This is the principal room. And who is the principal? Principal is the head of our school. Come on, repeat the spelling of principal room. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L-S, principals. R-O-O-M, room, principal's room. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L-S, principals. R-O-O-M, room, principal's room. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L-S, principals. R-O-O-M, room, principal's room. Now see next picture. This is the picture of staff room. Teachers work here when they are not in class. Come on, read with me. S-T-A-F-F, staff, R-O-O-M, room, staff room. S-T-A-F-F, staff, R-O-O-M, room, staff room. S-T-A-F-F, staff, R-O-O-M, room, staff room. Now see which is next picture. Yes, this is the playground. Here you are playing various games. Come on, repeat with me. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D, playground. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D, playground. P-L-A-Y, play, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, playground. Now see this picture. This is a washroom. We wash our hands and use the toilet here. Come on, learn with me the spelling. WASH wash, ROOM room, washroom. WASH wash, ROOM room, washroom. WASHROOM washroom. Now let's see events at my school. This is the picture of school assembly. In our school, we assemble every day for prayer and to know about important event at the assembly. Come on, learn with me the spelling of assembly. SCHOOL school, ASSEMBLY assembly, school assembly. SCHOOL school, ASSEMBLY assembly, school assembly. SCHOOL school, ASSEMBLY assembly, school assembly. Let's see this picture. This is the picture of sports day. We play various sports on sports day. Let's repeat with me. Spelling of sports day. SPORTS sports, DAY day, sports day. SPORTS sports, DAY day, sports day. SPORTS sports, DAY day, sports day. Now come on, see next picture. This is the annual day. We have cultural events during our annual day. Come on, repeat with me spelling of annual day. ANNUAL annual, DAY day, annual day. ANNUAL annual, DAY day, annual day. ANNUAL annual, DAY day, annual day. I hope you all understood about school, places in school, and events at school. Do more practice with your parents. Assalamu alaikum.